Hello everyone, a warm welcome to the viewers all have joined this conversation with the intern. So I'm your host, I am Mahesh Teja, a former MSFC student of 2022 to 2024 batch. So I have been directly working on the implementation of Lend a Hand India programs at Telangana the Residential School Boys Borabanda. So ज़्यादा अगर लेंड हैंड इंडिया के बारे में सिंपली बोलेंगे तो लेंड हैंड इंडिया एक वोकेशनल एजुकेशन को ऑल ओवर इंडिया में सपोर्ट करने वाला एक नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। तो ये सारे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स के साथ मिलकर इनका वोकेशनल एजुकेशन को सपोर्ट कर रहा है। ज्यादातर लोग ये नहीं जानते हैं कि लेंड हैंड इंडिया का जर्नी कैसे शुरू हुआ है। तो 2006 में ही लेंड हैंड इंडिया का पहला प्रोजेक्ट था पायलट प्रोजेक्ट। उसका मेन एम था वोकेशनल एजुकेशन को ऑल ओवर इंडिया में स्प्रेड करना और वोकेशनल कॉन्सेप्ट्स को मेन स्ट्रीम में लाना और उसे हायर एजुकेशन में इम्प्लीमेंट करना। तब से ये एक नेशनल मूवमेंट बन चुका है। तो आज हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है जिन्होंने अपना 10th डे इंटर्नशिप कंप्लीट किया है। तो please welcome Renuka, IT student, and she have completed her 10th day of internship. So, Renuka, can you please introduce yourself and about your trade?
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Renuka. I have completed my intermediate MPC along with the vocational course IT/ITES. My trade is IT/ITES, Information Technology Enabled Services. The enabled services, which means BPOs, KPOs, LPOs, which works along with the which works back of the companies. BPOs, which means business process outsourcing, knowledge process outsourcing, legal process outsourcing.
ओके सो रेणुका, जैसा कि आपने अब कहा था, आपने आपके 10 डेज का इंटर्नशिप कंप्लीट किया है। तो आपका 10th डे का इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? क्या आप हमें उसे शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
Yes, 10 days internship was a very good experience to me. In the first day of internship, we are very nervous. We are very little bit nervous, and with a very excitement, we started our day one internship. And these 10 days internship made me to learn many things which are useful for my career also. I also learned I totally learned about MS Office and how to write letters, about MS Word, how to make presentations, how to do calculations in Excel and MS Access. And behalf of this technical skills, I learned how to communicate with others and employability skills, green skills, which are useful. The 10 days internship, the day one, I started with a little bit nervous and full of excitement. At the day 10, the 10 day with the throughout the 10 days internship, I'm very confident now. The internship was a very good experience to me. Now I'm very confident with the skills I have learned, and it has happened in a good manner. And it's all about my 10 days internship.
Okay, so Renuka, you have enjoyed the internship during the 10 days. So, आपने अपने इंटर्नशिप के पहले जो आईटी का कोर्स किया था, क्या आपने उसमें किसी तरह की एक्टिविटीज या टास्क में पार्टिसिपेट किया था? अगर अगर किया है तो क्या आप हमें उसे शेयर करेंगी?
Yes, I have participated and I'm involved in all the activities and the tasks and activities. Activities like there should be a work given to us as a group. They made us a group and they used to give us some activities which improves our leadership skills, and which improves our communication skills, listening to everyone and making a decision very well. And also, and tasks like time management. At the day one, we used to do work for a long time. Why? Because of we are new to that, and we learn time management, how to plan the work very well, and to many tasks while preparing something to discuss with others and to understand them and to make it very well. This type of we have done.
So, Renuka, you have enjoyed the internship and you have done the activities and tasks. So, what's the exciting or the new thing you have experienced during your internship? Can you please share with us?
The exciting and new thing it means in the internship we have learned about MS Office, right? In the MS Office, the MS Excel. Then I when I'm doing with MS Excel, when I entry all the details and when it comes to formulas and Excel sheets, add some average, how the MS Excel works very or in an organized way, how it makes work very simply by using formulas. I'm very excited when I was with MS Excel, when I make some visualing database charts in MS Excel. It's very exciting to me working with MS Excel.
Okay, so Renuka, in the era of women employment, have you faced any challenges during your internship or during your course? So, ज्यादातर लोगों के घरों में ऐसे कोर्सेज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते हैं, ये जो सोचते हैं कि ये टाइम की बर्बादी है। तो क्या आपने किसी तरह के चैलेंजेस फेस किए हैं या फिर वर्क करते समय, इंटर्नशिप करते समय, क्या आपने किसी तरह की डिफिकल्टीज फेस की हैं?
As we know about the internship, when I said with my parents said that these are the vacation, and my mentors, my teachers, and I explained the importance of this internship very well to them. I have convinced them, and I get into internship, and I thought that it is a very helpful thing internship for a student. So this was a challenge. I made my parents convinced to go to internship.
Okay. So, Renuka, can you please tell that what is meant by vocational education and what is meant by IT trade?
Mm. Vocational education is vocational education, which means learning skills, which is a skill development program for a people. And about my trade is IT, ITS, information technology enabled services, right? In this, we learned about MS Office totally and employability skills, which is useful for my further career. It is helpful. And vocational education, it means the skill learning other skills which is useful, and vocational skills also will give employability to people.
Yeah, exactly correct. So, um, Renuka, do you think the course you have done, IT, is it useful in your future career? क्या ये वोकेशनल कोर्स जो आपने किया है आईटी डिपार्टमेंट में, क्या ये फ्यूचर में आपके करियर में आपकी हेल्प कर सकता है?
Yes, definitely it will help me to choose my career, and in what I choose also it will help me as I'm a MPC group student. Next I'm going to do engineering, or whether I may choose computer science groups. When I sat in front of the system, if I didn't have this internship or a vocational course, I didn't have a minimum knowledge how to use a system. After this internship, yes, I have some knowledge about it, then I can work fluently with it. And I used to work for my career. Actually, my career is depend on this computer science. I used to work with computer only. By this internship, it makes my work easy and I can understand well. Not only it is useful for me for my career, it is useful for everyone. They should do internship. Why? Because of learning about MS Office, Word, Excel, and what we say PPTs, and basic knowledge of a computer is important for everyone. Why? Because of there is a cutthroat competition in the world for every woman, for every man, for every children. It should be known they should have this skill.
So Renuka, um, do you think that uh, I mean, you have done your internship in the IT sector and you have used the tools, AI tools or the software tools in your internship. So can you please explain the few of them, just like the software tools and the AI tools?
I used Google Gemini and ChatGPT. Um, ChatGPT for images and Gemini for clarification. What the sentence I used to keep in a presentation to make it professional, and for ChatGPT for pictures, what in the pictures makes presentations attractive and people to understand easily. These are the tools I used. And sometimes where I'm making documents, and at that time I used Google for my clarification also.
ओके रेणुका, व्हेन यू हैव डन दिस इंटर्नशिप, मतलब जब आपने ये इंटर्नशिप की थी आईटी में, तो आपने क्या किसी तरह के स्किल्स सीखे हैं, जैसे कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स या फिर टीम वर्क स्किल्स या फिर इंडिपेंडेंट वर्क स्किल्स? क्या आपने इनमें से किसी तरह के स्किल्स को सीखा है वहां पर?
Yes, I have learned them. Mainly from the day one, as we learn the technical skills, they made us to learn how to speak English without grammatical mistakes with others, and the communication skills, employability skills. I learned a lot. Before this internship, I used to speak, but I used to feel little bit nervous when I'm speaking. I used to think after this internship, I got a confidence to speak with everyone in a good manner, where I worked as my team in internship, and with this also I can express my ideas how people can understand, and I also improved my skill of listening. The listening is also very important. They made us to know this listening and saying is the most important thing. Communication, coming to communication, we have good with it. Employability skills, which makes me to feel better i when I was a new when I was a new employee, and I'll easily adopt the nature there. Why? Because of already I have an internship there. I also work as a part of a team.
Okay, so Renuka, when you were during this internship, um, did your mentors or your trainers helped you? I mean, have they supported you during this internship, just like when you are facing any problems or difficulties doing the work? Have they helped you? Have they trained you, your mentors and your trainers?
Yes, our mentors are very friendly with us, and they helped us a lot. When they gave a task, they used to give us clarification how we should do when we are doing it practically. If we get any difficulty, they are with a very lot of patience, and they used to take care of us everyone. Where we did any mistake, they never behave as angry with us. They used to come to each other and they used to solve them, and after completing the task they have given, they used to say where we have to improve and where we are well good. With that we came to know where we have to improve, right? And the mentors and teachers all are good there, and we have done very well.
ओके, सो रेणुका, जब आप अपना इंटर्नशिप कंप्लीट किया है अब, और आपको इंटर्नशिप में जो आईटी कोर्स आपने किया है, तो आपने उनमें उनमें बहुत तरह के स्किल्स सीखे हैं। तो क्या आप अपने जूनियर्स को ये सजेस्ट करेंगे कि आगे जाकर वो भी किसी तरह की वोकेशनल एजुकेशन करें या फिर किसी तरह की इंटर्नशिप करें, क्योंकि दोनों भी तो बहुत जरूरी है? क्या आपके आपके जूनियर्स को सजेस्ट करेंगे कि इंटर्नशिप और वोकेशनल कोर्सेज करने के लिए?
Yes, I'll definitely suggest them to do this internship not only in this vocational, only in IT years, and where they are interested, they have to go on with the vocational course and they have to do internships. They have to improve their skills for themselves. Not the study is only a thing where we can learn many things. Vocational skills should be learned by everyone. By the skills, as you saw me, how I am now, before, and how I shared my experience, they should learn everything. They should also do good in communication, and they should learn how to be with others, and they should learn the skills which they should know in which they are interested, and with they should do internships for their workplace experience.
ओके, सो जैसा कि आपने कहा है, इंटर्नशिप बहुत ज़रूरी है। क्योंकि इंटर्नशिप और वोकेशनल कोर्स भी, क्योंकि वोकेशनल कोर्स एक ऐसा सोर्स है जिनसे हम बहुत सारे के स्किल्स सीख सकते हैं। नॉट ओनली आईटी एंड एमएसएफसी कोर्स व्हिच आई हैव डन, इसमें बहुत सारे के स्किल्स हमें सीखने को मिलते हैं। तो vocational course is very important, and being a lifelong learner, everyone has to learn the vocational education and have to find the skills which are available now. So thank you Lend a Hand India and Samagra Shiksha program and the school teams which have made this conversation possible. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. What you have said is it is definitely right. Every student should. And thank you, Lend a Hand India, and thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity.